Welcome. Today I am with Sony WH1000XM3 headphones, and I'll show you how you can turn off or turn on ambient sound. So at first you have to be for sure connected with your Sony headphones application. Go for the sound section, and here you'll find ambient sound control. So to turn on the ambient sound, you have to enable ambient sound control, and after that you are able to set up between ambient sound 1 and 20 value. So if you are going higher, you will hear more sound from the background. That's very obvious. If you set up less, you will hear not clearly the environment around you. So that's how we can adjust this ambient sound. And also, if you want to turn it off, you can make it by going right here for white noise reduction or noise cancelling. And also you can just turn off ambient sound control. So yeah, that's how we can make it. That's the first option. And another one, you can make it by using this ambient button right here. So when you press on it, you can turn off ambient sound control. So right now ambient sound is turned off. When you tap another time, you are going to turn on noise cancelling, and when you click another time, you will turn on the ambient sound, and it will be always set up on that value that you set up in the application. So yeah, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.